Today gonna show you how to cook sticky rice. First thing, you have to get the bowl that you can put in the microwave. And then put sticky rice half of your bowls. In this case, you can use any size of bowl. Just put half of the rice in the bowls. And then you're gonna need hot water. And then pour it in the rice until they cover it around 1 inch or more than that. We need a lot of water for soak the rice, around 20 to 30 minutes, and the rice gonna be come up more. Okay, now we're waiting. You see, after 20-30 minutes, the rice gonna be come up like that, and we still have water, but we don't need much water like that. Just pour it out until the water below of your rice. Just shake it, shake and pull. That's what you need now. Okay, shake it. Okay, pull it out bit by bit. Be careful the rice going down. Yes, use your hand like that. Shake it. Now the water below of the rice is ready, and then we're gonna put in the microwave and use something for cover it, make it like steam, and then cook around 6 minutes. After they cook 6 minutes, just take it out and use the fork for get the bottom rice up like that. And then put it back in the microwave around 2 minutes. Now the rice is cooking perfectly. Yes, just use your fork or make it cooling down a little bit because it's so hot. Now the rice ready to eat. It's cooked very perfectly. Today, I eat the rice with deep fried pork belly. This the rice we cook in the microwave. Easy. Enjoy everybody. See you next time.